Hi guys, and welcome back for a new Q&DI expert video from my side. And today I have something cool and special, as always in this format on my channel for you. So let's go ahead. Here you will find my complete materials and below you will find my camera settings. But first, before we start with the cool pictures, we have to prepare the item, and for this you need normal aluminium foil and black color lacquer like this typical car painting. I have here color black matte, and then you have to cut a bit of the aluminium foil, maybe in size steel 4, and then you have to spray the color on top of it, and then you have to let it dry. I let it about 2 days dry on my balcony, and when the color is completely dried through, you can crumble the aluminium foil a bit and the color will break, and through the breaks you will see again the aluminium foil, and this effect is very cool and I like to take pictures with this effect. And for lightning I used to color RGB panels like this here, and then I did my pictures from above or from the side, and also some aluminium foil sprayed completely through, and I put my light in the back to get a cool effect. And really, that's all. And now we can see my results, and we will see us in my next video. Ciao!